Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down to find screen timeout and tap on it. Now we can choose from available options. At the top we've got relatively short ones like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got 30 minutes, which is the longest option in this device. So all you have to do is to mark the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.